My God! This is the woman who complains about the weather all the time.
Yeah.
Complains all the time that it's too cold. Oh, Alexa.
If it's not too cold, it's too hot, right?
No, there you go.
That's the way she is.
Do you want to come sit up with Brittany? Isn't that go Brittany?
Okay, Jill, I think we're gonna have to swing it around. Hi, Auntie. Salud. Hola.
Owen, look, wait, come with me and say hi. Brittany, you have to get up. I'm sorry, I can't hold you. I've got to do this here.
Ciao.
Okay.
Hola. Alexa, di hola.
This one is for Brittany and for Alexa. Oh, okay, guys.
Brittany's favorite activity is falling asleep.
Yeah?
It was funny because after last night when the kids were up so late, they really were a nightmare. They had the biggest tender tantrums I've ever seen going to bed. I said to Martin when they got to sleep, we're going to have to go to sailing tomorrow just to get them the bed.
Ahí queda UBC nuestra casa.
Kind of left late for a nap today.
Okay, now I'm recording.
Hey, Alexa.
Hi! It's a crab!
Alexa, cómetelo.
Y que le está tocando un cangrejo. ¡Tócalo! ¡Wow! Alexa. Muy bien.
Ready?
Okay, Maury.
Want to touch him?
Bye-bye.
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 Another one.
Another one. How many do we get here? We got lots.
Wow. Estamos en el velero.
Oh, that one's tiny.
Mami, levántate.
Male as well.
Oh, boys.
Ready? Here, I'll give them to you. You can have them.